So, let me tell you about this awesome tool I've been using, the G-Sheets CRM. It's this super simple yet powerful CRM built right inside Google Sheets. You start your day with this clean visual dashboard, and you can track your whole sales team's performance in real time. And if you want to see what each person's been up to, you just apply a date filter. Then you know exactly who's doing what and when. What's even cooler is how all the lead details, like contact info and email addresses, are all in one place. You can even organize them by types, professions, or course interests. Here's the best part. When a lead sends in their resume, you just move their row to this Resumes Received sheet and link the document directly from Google Drive folder. No more messy folders or wasted time searching for files. Each salesperson gets their own sheet, and it's all automated. You just update the follow-up date, and the system automatically sorts the leads by urgency, color codes them based on how much time is left. It's like it does half the work for you, and it'll show you if there are any duplicates. When a lead's status changes, like if they're converted or disqualified, it moves them to the right spot automatically, keeping your pipeline super clean and organized. Still not convinced? Start with our free version to get a taste of how simple and effective CRM can be. And when you're ready, upgrade to the fully automated version for next-level productivity and lead management and 10x your sales.